different. I'm just gonna do this sitting on the couch, hanging out. I paused Netflix because I'm taking a rest, letting the puppy out, and dealing with the cat. So I figured, well, I'm waiting on that. I'm gonna knock this out really quick. This is what I'm actually watching right now, and you guys know I like to short, or if you guys have ever watched anything, but GNCA was actually up this morning, and I didn't get any shares to short, so I didn't even make a trade like I said. I wasn't going to. I said that yesterday. I wasn't going to. I've had a lot of stuff. I had a paper to get done and stuff like that. Ugh, checking on her. But anyways, this one would have been a perfect short just because it ran so high pre-market. And when they run that high pre-market, it's normally that you see this downtrend. I mean, this happens a lot. And normally it doesn't break it. It almost pops up to this. You could actually put the trend line on that too, but it doesn't really matter there. But again, yes, this looks good. I mean, after hours you could have got in here and made some money, but I don't hold overnight. I don't like it. I never have. I think I've did it with Microsoft and Apple a total of like 5 times altogether. So with this being said, literally just pops up after hours, after literally like nothing, just all consolidating, even during power hour, and then it gets this little bit of an arc, starts trying to gain back a little bit of momentum. This morning has news, pops up all the way to $1.44, and then it just starts selling off. And these plays are not like plays that you're gonna play at the market open. If you were gonna play this one, you were getting in here as soon as that news came out. Now, again, with a downtrending like this, and then even at the market, it's not really doing much, or almost before the market opens, it wasn't really a good sign. So with this downtrend and just fall, if you got short on this, awesome. But the one that I'm watching right now, I believe, yeah, is this one. Well, yeah, been watching this one because there's a trend line here, but it broke that trend line and now it's actually popping back up. So impossible trade there. Acre right now is trying to reverse after its run last week. No, sorry, dog. VTGN is, yeah, this must be the one that I like. Sad that I don't even remember right now. But yeah, I believe it's this one. It has potential to fill this back. It's almost filled this candle completely. It's a couple cents off, but it's still uptrending, so you can't count that out. Yes, it has this nasty red candle, but again, that creates a trend line and allows for an intraday trade. So, but it does look like it's got a little wall at $1.52. It's got a couple sellers at $1.52. Oh, but it'll be okay if it can make it through that. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I just want to show you guys this pattern right here. Once it gets so high, more than likely it's not going to run through the day. It just, the odds are not with you. But thank you all for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.